struggle to get your cards to lay flat when you use your bone folder to burnish them? I heard from a very experienced card maker here not too long ago wondering how I get my cards to lay so flat. And it made me think that I should make a quick video about this. When I started, I struggled to get my cards to lay flat as well, but I discovered the trick to getting them to lay perfectly flat. So let me show you. When I started to make cards, I would use the bone folder in the way I'm going to show you right now because this was how I had seen other people do it. And as you can see, this is not laying flat. So it took me quite a while to discover the trick. And here it is. I'll show you right now. Now here's a card base. I have not even scored this in the center. For my card bases that I use for myself, I don't even score them. I always do that for my classes just as a courtesy to everyone, but I don't do that for myself. So I line up the corners, of course, give it a little start. Sometimes I run my finger along here to crease that, and sometimes I don't. But what you want to do is not use the tip up here. What you want to do is lay the bone folder across your card and press using the area back here. So I'm going to run this quickly across there, let go, and show you. This is laying basically perfectly flat. Now sometimes I run across a second time just to make sure, and now it really is. So that is the quick trick. It's really easy. I hope this is helpful. I have lots of other card making tips and tricks as well, so I hope you'll take a look at them. Please give me a like and a thumbs up if you like this. Drop a comment below. That helps other crafters to find this video and find my other videos as well. So thanks for being here, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'm here helping you to hand make with love.